Hello friends, welcome back. I want to write Baba here. We had previously learned Baba. We said Ba is Ba, and again Ba becomes Baba. We had also learned Da with a R, it becomes Dar. Here is a new word. Za becomes za, and if I add a d, it becomes zad. In the previous lessons, I used to place a hyphen between new words like these. But why didn't I do that here? Because here, these words are related to each other. These words convey a meaning to us. When I say Baba dar zad, I'm forming a sentence. So, if there are no hyphens between the words, it shows that a complete sentence has been formed, that the new words are connected and the whole thing has a meaning. Baba dar zad. Since we have finished our sentence, we must place a period at the end. This is what we call a complete sentence. Let's make another sentence. Da becomes da. Just like here. Ra becomes ra. Dara. Now I want to write another word. It must have at least this much space from the previous word so that they don't get mixed up and we don't mistake it as part of the same word. Da. I want to write dan. Let's break it into syllables. I say dan, don. The first part is dan. Alright, dan is simple. Da and a nune kuchak. Why nune kuchak? Because it's not at the end of the word. If it were at the end, it would be a nune bozorg, dan. The second syllable is don. How do we write don? It's da and an at the end. Da and at the end a nune bozorg. Notice that this de with its sharp corner should be fully connected to this n. It's read as da, n, dan, da, n, dan, don. Dara, dandan. Da, r, d, dard. Now I want to write darad. Darad has two syllables. The first syllable is da, which is de and a. The second syllable is rad. How to write rad? Ra, and it also has a de. Darad. Our sentence is complete now, so we place a period. Dara dandan dard darad. So we learned that when there are no hyphens between the words, these words form a sentence. I will repeat them once more. Da, ra, dara. Da, n, dan. Da, n, dan, don. Da, r, dar, d, dard. Da, ra, d, darad. Write each of these lines twice. Don't forget to break down the words into syllables, exactly as I did. Say each syllable out loud to yourself and write them neatly and correctly, just as I taught you on the graph paper. See you in the next lesson.